When I reflect on 2022, I think, how did Legal Aid Society really support the people who needed us most? How did we show up for the domestic violence victim or the person on the verge of losing their home? Was there truly a second chance for the neighbor in need of a clean criminal record? We get calls every day from people not only wanting guidance with legal problems, but just needing compassion, support through some of the most challenging and humbling and vulnerable situations they've ever been in. And that's why our staff remain determined to help people move forward, find hope. The unfortunate reality is that there are more people experiencing legal troubles than we actually have resources and manpower to provide. We had to expand our resources even further than we had before. We needed our community to make us even stronger.
People living in rural areas often face unique barriers to getting help. The lack of access to essential help in rural communities often leaves individuals with nowhere else to turn. Community involvement played a crucial role in assisting clients. Throughout the year, we participated in Juneteenth, Pride, and numerous other community events dedicated to raising awareness of marginalized populations. We found partners most prepared and willing to offer food assistance, domestic violence help, healthcare services, and housing resources to all those who needed it most. By partnering Legal Aid Society's work with those services, we offer long-lasting, transformational, and substantial change in the lives of individuals and their families living in rural areas. And that is exactly what we did in 2022.
In 2022, hundreds of Middle Tennesseans received help from our volunteer programs. It could not have happened without the behind-the-scenes work of student volunteers, private law firms, and strategic partnerships. Through these volunteers and partners, we maximize the amount of legal service we could provide for clients we otherwise may have had to turn away. We were able to add free legal help and advice clinics into our program service areas to reach clients in rural communities. Private law firms also increased the scope of services we could provide by handling specific cases like divorces, powers of attorney, adoptions, conservatorships, name changes, and many more. Student volunteers and strategic partnerships provide a deeper connection to community resources and help with administrative efforts as well. By maximizing the time volunteers offered to help us and our clients, we were able to assist each client more holistically. This strengthened our services and increased the stability of our typically underserved communities.
Without our volunteer attorneys and partner law firms, many people with legal troubles would have to figure out their legal issues alone, and that's just inherently unfair. With the support of our community partners and volunteers, we saw just how impactful our work can be when we are united with others. 2022 showed us that we are indeed stronger together.